Comes in a nice case, and a nice case. And this is a special factory order. They only made 500 of these, allegedly. And this one is the Seahorse Whittler, and it is in the lizard skin, which is kind of cool. Again, they only make 500 of these. I just checked the website that I bought this from, which was deadwoodknives.com, and it's the first time I've ever used Deadwood knives. I think I paid 95 bucks US for this, and I don't know, 12 bucks or 16 bucks shipping. So size-wise, this guy's about 4 inches long. Here it is beside a Swiss Army, right there. And here it is beside another case. This guy's always in my pocket. This is a Case Stockman. It's a little bit longer than a Case Stockman and a little bit fatter. I like case knives. I like the price point. I'm not worried about losing them. It doesn't give me anxiety carrying it and going, where's my knife? Where's my knife? There's another one. So, you know what? I just love them. They've been great for me. I've had and have some expensive knives. Like this one here. I can't tell you what I paid for it because it's embarrassing. And a lot of times they just sit in their cases somewhere because I'm worried about using them or beating them up or losing them. I like carving stuff, so this will be my dedicated carving knife. I'm not very good at it. I usually just end up throwing it in the wood-burning stove or into the river. So this is the Case Seahorse Whittler, and it's a dedicated whittling knife, or you can use it for that anyway. I'm going to use it for that. And they call it a seahorse because it kind of looks like a seahorse. But anyway, it's got 3 blades. And this is a Warncliffe blade, and this thing is deadly sharp and comes to a wicked point. Very thick. Check that out. Check the thickness of this blade out compared to this main blade of the Swiss Army knife. That's as thick as some of my hunting knives for sure. So very sturdy blade. You know, it'd be awesome for carving serious chunks. And again, very sharp, very pointy. You don't want to drop it on your toe like I did. So this is a slip joint knife. There's no locking mechanism, of course. And this is out of their stainless steel, which is called True Sharp, surgical stainless steel. And it's got 2 other blades. This guy is 2.3 inches long, and it's got 2 1.5 inch long blades. And this is a coping blade, again, great for carving. That's it there, very thin, very sharp. And they also have a pen blade, if I can get it out with my minimal fingernails. And there's the pen blade, again, 1.5 inches long as well. Very sharp, very thin, tiny, great for getting into those little nooks and crannies. Well, what a beautiful little knife. I really like it, and I love the case stuff. Again, I kind of told you why before. It's just a affordable, awesome knife. Weight-wise, this thing is 2.6 ounces, so it's pretty light, but definitely beefy. That blade is seriously thick. You know what? I wouldn't even think twice about quartering a deer with this thing. Very rugged. Thanks for watching.